Everyone knows what space heaters are really used for. You send them up into space and keep the astronauts warm. But ever since the International Space Station came up, we can't send them up anymore. 'Cause we're racist. Anyway, here's 10 other uses. Use 1. Low on friends. With a space heater, you can make your own friend. So, how was that movie yesterday? I know, right? You're a good friend. Use 2. Use it as a punching bag. Use 3. Raise it as a child.
Dragonborn.
What's that? You want soda?
Too bad!
Well, you're finally going off to college. Use 4. Play golf with it. Use 4. Use 5. Heating.
Hold on.
Toasting.
Okay.
Use 6. Use it as a flotation device. We just saved thousands of lives. That's why she.
I don't think this is a good idea to do this. I don't! I'm just stating the obvious.
Okay.
My
well,
mom will beat me.
I don't think this is a good idea. We should probably think of something else, because our parents will probably kill us.
Use 7. Play basketball with it.
You miss.
Use 8. Play tennis with it. Whoops. Use 9. Cross the border with it.